Hi, I wanted to make a quick video just to let you know about this delicious Ayurvedic tea that I'm drinking. It's called CCF, which is an acronym for the 3 ingredients that make up the tea blend. So we have cumin seed, coriander seed, and fennel seed. And together, these 3 seeds make this beautiful golden tea that is really delicious. It has a rich, nutty flavor. It smells amazing, and it's both grounding and nourishing for the body. In many Ayurvedic cleansing facilities, this tea is used to gently detoxify the body. So whether you're actively cleansing or just looking to maintain your well-being, this tea is the way to go. In a small pot, you'll want to combine 2 teaspoons of the CCF tea blend with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat and let the tea simmer for about 5 minutes. For a stronger brew, you can boil the tea for 10 minutes. Remove from heat, strain, and serve it up. If you want to make a larger batch, just use the ratio of 1 teaspoon CCF tea for every 1 cup of water. So CCF is a great tea for digestive support. If you're trying to work with vata or kapha, feel free to add a spoonful of honey on occasion. Or if you're working with your pitta digestion, you can add a squeeze of lime juice. And while CCF tea is usually enjoyed warm, it can also be a great summertime tonic if you let it cool to room temperature. I hope you enjoy the many benefits of CCF tea.